Go across to our guests. We have with us Kanchan Gupta, Senior Advisor in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India. Mr. Gupta, let me begin with the latest update coming in. Mamata Banerjee has written a letter to the Prime Minister where she talks about how it is horrifying, according to available data, that almost 90 cases of rape occur daily throughout the country, which shakes the confidence and conscience of the society and nation. And then she goes on further to demand setting up a fast-track courts for speedy trial to ensure quick justice. Trial in such cases should preferably be completed within 15 days. What do you make of this letter, sir?
Well, it's an input from a chief minister, and I'm sure the prime minister will pay due attention to it. But let me clarify a few points. I mean, law and order is a state subject. It is not a central subject. Maintaining law and order is the responsibility of the West Bengal government, not the central government. There are states in the country which have enacted special laws to deal with the crime of rape and sexual offense, especially when it comes to rape and murder. For instance, the Madhya Pradesh government has its own law. They have also amended the law to sort of provide for a quick day-to-day hearing so that the case doesn't just drag on and on and on. Now, West Bengal government could easily set up its own process in dealing with such situations. Nothing stops the West Bengal government from bringing in a special legal provision because, as I said, law and order is in the domain of the state government. So all that the chief minister is trying to do is divert attention from the state government to the central government. She's trying to sort of lob the ball into the central government's court.
Right.
Now, let me also remind you that she talks about 90 such incidents a day. Many of them are actually reported from West Bengal. West Bengal has a terrible, terrible record of maintaining law and order, especially when it comes to crimes against women. For a while, the West Bengal government instructed its police to not provide data to the National Crime Records Bureau because they didn't want that data to go out. So these are the explanations which should be asked from the state government. Between the night when this horrific crime was committed at RG Kaur Medical College and Hospital, there have been 3 similar incidents as reported by media. I mean, I have no access to special information, but media has reported 3 horrific incidents from West Bengal. So what has the state government done to tighten up the law and order situation between the commission of this crime and today?
Right. And